Welcome to the world of Taekwondo, where speed, power, and precision are not just practiced, but mastered. Did you know that the martial arts signature kicks can generate enough force to break boards, bricks, and even shatter the opponent's defense in a split second? In this video, we're diving into the deadly kicks of Taekwondo, each one designed to pack a punch and leave an unforgettable mark on anyone who faces it. Whether you're a martial arts enthusiast or just curious about how these powerful techniques can make a difference in self-defense, this video is your ultimate guide to understanding the deadly art of Taekwondo kicks. Let's kick things off. First, the Roundhouse kick. Let's start with the Roundhouse kick, the cornerstone of Taekwondo and one of the most iconic kicks in the martial arts world. This kick is delivered by swinging the leg around in a circular motion, striking the opponent with the top of the foot or the instep. It's typically aimed at the head or torso, but can also target the legs or even lower, depending on the situation. The Roundhouse kick's power comes from the rotation of your hip and core, generating immense force and speed. It's often used to break through an opponent's guard or to catch them off guard if they think they have the upper hand. With its versatility and speed, the Roundhouse kick is essential in both sport and self-defense, offering both offensive and defensive capabilities. Why it's deadly? When executed at full speed, the Roundhouse kick is almost impossible to block if the opponent isn't prepared. Its unpredictable nature and the power generated from the hip rotation make it one of the most feared strikes in Taekwondo. Second, the spinning hook. Kick up next is the spinning hook kick, a move that will leave your opponent stunned and guessing what just hit them. To execute this kick, you start with a spin, rotating your body 360 degrees while simultaneously throwing your leg around in a hook-like arc. The target? Typically the head or the upper body. The secret to the effectiveness of the spinning hook kick lies in its ability to strike from an unexpected angle. Your opponent may think you're preparing for a simple roundhouse, only to be caught off guard by the hook. Why it's deadly? The spinning motion not only adds force to the kick, but also catches the opponent by surprise. The heel of your foot makes contact with the target, and the speed of the spin generates significant power, often resulting in a knockout or incapacitation. Third, the axe kick. Now let's look at the axe kick, a powerful vertical strike that comes crashing down with precision. This kick starts by raising the leg straight up and then bringing it down sharply onto the target, usually aiming for the opponent's head, neck, or shoulder area. The force of the axe kick comes from the downward motion, and it's often used to break through defenses or deliver a finishing blow when the opponent is in a vulnerable position. It's not the fastest kick in Taekwondo, but its strength and accuracy make it devastating when executed properly. Why it's deadly? The downward angle and the sharpness of the kick create a hammering effect, which can cause significant damage, especially to the opponent's head or collarbone. The key to this kick is timing. It's not just about strength, but about hitting at the perfect moment when the opponent's defense is down. At number 4, the sidekick. Let's talk about the sidekick, a fundamental move in Taekwondo known for its power and range. The sidekick is executed by extending your leg straight out to the side, striking with the edge of the heel or the blade of your foot. It's a powerful linear strike aimed at pushing the opponent away or breaking their stance. One of the best things about the sidekick is its versatility. It can be used to create distance, defend against an attack, or land a direct blow to an opponent's torso or head. It's commonly used in self-defense situations where you need to defend yourself and then quickly create space. Why it's deadly? The sidekick is both a defensive and offensive tool. Its direct line of attack, combined with the power of your hip and core, makes it incredibly effective at targeting the ribs, midsection, or even the head when delivered at the right moment. At number 5, the back kick. The back kick is a powerful and sneaky strike that can turn the tables when you're under attack. To perform this kick, you pivot on your standing leg and thrust your back leg directly behind you, aiming with the heel. It's a quick and effective counterattacking move that catches opponents off guard, especially when they think they have you cornered. The back kick is perfect for defending against an advancing opponent and can stop them in their tracks before they get too close. Number 6, the jumping front kick. Next is the jumping front kick, which combines the explosive power of a front kick with the surprise element of a jump. In this kick, you jump off the ground, driving your knee up first, and then extending your leg out for a powerful front kick. The added height and momentum make this one of the most effective kicks in terms of surprise and impact. When executed correctly, the jumping front kick can land a devastating blow to the opponent's face or chest before they even realize you've moved. Number 7. The hook kick. The hook kick is a variation of the roundhouse, but with a more focused, curved trajectory. The kick starts similar to the roundhouse, but you hook your leg inwards, delivering a strike with the heel of your foot. This kick is particularly useful in situations where your opponent is guarding their head or upper body, as it strikes from an unexpected angle. The hook kick's power comes from the quick snap of the leg and the precision of the hook itself. At number 8. The crescent kick. Now let's explore the crescent kick, a beautiful and effective technique executed by swinging your leg in a half-moon shape. You can perform the crescent kick inward or outward, depending on the target and your stance. This kick is perfect for breaking through blocks or attacking from the side when your opponent is trying to defend. It's an elegant yet powerful strike that's often used to finish a series of attacks or when you need to outmaneuver an opponent's defenses. Why it's deadly. The crescent kick's effectiveness lies in its ability to strike from an unexpected angle, bypassing the opponent's defenses. The arc of the kick allows you to land a blow to the side of the head, shoulders, or midsection with the top of your foot, making it a versatile and unpredictable weapon. Number 9. The jumping back kick. Taking the back kick to a whole new level is the jumping back kick. This technique involves jumping off the ground while simultaneously performing the back kick. The added jump gives the back kick even more power, making it not just a surprise attack, but also a devastating one. When your opponent is advancing or trying to close the distance, the jumping back kick can stop them in their tracks and send them flying backward. Finally, we have the scissor kick, which is a dynamic and powerful two-legged attack. To execute this kick, you jump into the air and extend both legs outward in opposite directions, like the blades of a pair of scissors. The goal is to trap and strike the opponent in one powerful, simultaneous motion. This kick is particularly effective when you need to close the distance quickly and overwhelm the opponent with speed and unpredictability. Why it's deadly. The scissor kick combines the element of surprise with the force of two simultaneous strikes. It's a fast, fluid move that can overwhelm even the most prepared opponent when executed with precision.